In this video, I'm gonna teach you 3 simple steps on how to fix left control keys not working or functioning in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. First things first, you need to restart your computer. So navigate to the start icon, go with your power menu options and click on restart. So mostly when you restart the PC, everything will work out. Okay, so everything will be refreshed. Okay, and the moment you have relaunched the Windows again, try to press your left control key and check if it's working. However, if not, then you need to move on to the second method. The second method would be you need to navigate to the start icon. Please make a right click, scroll up, and click on the device manager. Eventually, you would be able to open up a window like this, where here you need to navigate to the option called keyboards and click on this forward arrow key and select your keyboard driver. From here, please make a right click and go with update driver. So eventually it will opt you to choose 2 options, which are search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers manually. So please select on the first. And if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, close the window and please make a right click once again and go with update driver. But this time you need to choose for this one, browse my computer for drivers so that you can locate and install a driver manually. So if you have installed a driver or download it, just have to click on this browse so that you can browse it to the specific location where it is being placed to. And since that I don't have any, just have to select for let me pick from a list of available drivers on your computer and it will show you the compatible hardware or model that is good for your machine. Just select it, go with next, and wait until it will be installed. Once done, restart your computer. The moment you've restarted it, check if your left control key is not working. However, if not, then we need to bound to our third and last method, and that is to uninstall our keyboard driver. How we can do so? By the start icon again, please make a right click, scroll up, and click on the device manager. Here at the device manager, you need to look for the keyboards once again. Go with the forward arrow key, go with your keyboard driver, make a right click and go with uninstall device. So it will ask you to confirm your action, go with uninstall. And I want to assure you that the moment you will uninstall the keyboard, it will only fix the problem because the moment you click on it, you just have to restart the computer. And once you have restarted it, you would be able to install it. It will be able to install automatically here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, meaning that you have just simply reinstalled it. So by that, check if your left control key is not working. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.